Welcome to another episode of Technica Media. In this video, we will take you to the Greenfield District in Mandaluyong. But before we go there, please subscribe to our channel to learn more about the Philippines and like this video as well. If you want to watch our video about modern Philippines, please click on the link above. The video starts now. The Greenfield District is a 15-hectare business district located at the corner of Edsa and Shaw Boulevard. Redeveloped by the Greenfield Development Corporation from the former Edsa Central property, this is a perfect example of modernizing the old but familiar place and rejuvenating them back to life. Greenfield District is practically in the center of Metro Manila. Accessible to all major types of public transportation, the MRT Shaw Boulevard station is the center of the line. One can go to any point of Metro Manila from here. The Greenfield District is home to a number of residential developments like the Twin Oaks Place, Soho Central, and Z10. If you want to grab a bite, there are bars and restaurants available as well, like the Canning Club, Blackwood Bistro, Ramen Bar, and more. Greenfield is planned with health and well-being of its residents and visitors in mind, with its wide sidewalks, making it very conducive for walking or jogging. In the middle of it all is an open space of grass and greenery where kids can run around and play. Plus, with all the facilities like Gold's Gym, Climb Center, and Trampoline Park, Greenfield District's got it covered. On Saturdays, the Greenfield Districts host Greenfield Weekend Market. Click on the link above to watch that video and know more. If you want to watch our video about Makati City, click on the link above. Development in the area is still ongoing. As you can see, there are a lot of constructions going on. I can't wait to revisit the place again and show the improvements on a later time. To see more about the beauty of the Philippines, get a copy of The Philippines: A Visual Journey by Elizabeth Reyes. Click the description below to learn more. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.